Between Hostinger and Namecheap, which one gives the best offer for website owners? In this video, I'm going to compare both platforms to know which one offers the best hosting, which one gives the best free domain, which one is faster, which one gives free SSL, which one gives the best gigabyte space, which one is the best. We're going to compare it side by side. It's not going to be my thing. I'm using both platforms. I'm using Hostinger and I'm using Namecheap on another website, and I've used them, both of them, for different other clients I've built websites for. Let's go check the two side by side. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. I also teach how to build professional websites with AI tools. If this is something you love, let's get right into it. Enable us compare Hostinger and Namecheap, which one gives the best offer when it comes to freebies. We are going to open the websites side by side. So what you have to do is just come to your browser and type faithamole.com/Hostinger. While that is loading, I'm going to open up faithamole.com/Namecheap. So let's basically see what they have to offer us. We're going to open both platforms so we can literally go to web hosting. You can go to web hosting. I've already opened Namecheap here. This is Namecheap. Let's go to hosting. You can just go to drop down, click on shared hosting, and then we'll go to Hostinger. And as well, I just clicked on web hosting here, and it brought me to this place. I want to compare the cheapest hosting on both platforms. That's web hosting. Let's go over to this place. As you can see, this is the cheapest. I'm going to toggle to yearly hosting. I'm not going to go for monthly hosting. No, I'll go for yearly. This is actually yearly here. I'm going to switch to 12 months. We're going to compare them side by side. So let's compare them in terms of free domain. Let's see which one gives free domain. We're going to go over to Hostinger first. Let's see, does Hostinger give free domain on the cheapest hosting so far? Yes, it gives free domain for 1 year. Let's see if Namecheap does the same. So this is the cheapest hosting. As you can see, for the next 30 days, you are going to host your website for free for 30 days. Look at it. So let me go to a yearly plan. Try for 30 days. So you're going to host for free for 30 days. That is absolutely amazing. As you can see here, Namecheap does not give you free.com domain for 1 year. Let's talk about free SSL. Let's start with Hostinger. Does Hostinger give free SSL? Yes, Hostinger gives free SSL. As you can see, it gives you this. Let's also see if Namecheap will give us that. Yes, Namecheap gives us what? Free SSL to secure our website. See it here, free automatic SSL installation. They are going to install it free for you, but in most cases their SSL, positive SSL, is paid, but then they give you free automatic installation. The number 3 criteria here is free business email. Which of them gives free business email? Let's go over to Hostinger. The cheapest hosting plan here has a free email marketing for 1 year. It also gives you free email for 1 year, and you have 2 mailboxes per website. So you are getting free.com domain, free SSL, you're getting free email. Let's go to Namecheap to see if Namecheap will give you free email. Namecheap will give you 30 mailboxes here, but they're not going to give you free email. They can only give you cPanel email for free, but they're not going to give you free email, professional email. Here you have to buy their email. That is that. So we're going to go over to the gigabyte space they're going to give you. Hostinger gives you 20 gigabyte storage for your files, SSD. Also, Namecheap gives you what? The same thing. It gives you 20 gigabytes. That's absolutely amazing. How many number of websites can you host on a particular single host? You can create up to 3 websites on Hostinger. You can also create what? 3 websites here. That is amazing. Then which one of them is the best? That is the question here. Which one of them is the best? Absolutely. When it comes from my experience, when it comes to customer service, Namecheap wins for customer service. They have the best responsive customer service. When it comes to security, Hostinger wins is the best. And when it comes to speed, Hostinger wins again. Hostinger has the best speed. I have so many websites there. Not that Namecheap does not have speed. They have, but when you put them on a scale, Hostinger performs better with speed and performance in terms of security because they offer light speed web server and their systems are fast. That is that on this comparison. I don't know if this has been able to prove some things to you. If you want to get any of them, you can check the link in my description, and if you use my coupon code for Hostinger, you are getting 20% discount on your checkout. So I'm going to leave that coupon code in the description. I'm also going to leave a coupon code for you to get a cheaper access to Namecheap in the description of this my video. If there's any question you have, please drop it in the comment section and I will be there to answer you. See you in my next video.